In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily unsubscribe and stop spam for Microsoft Hotmail and Outlook users. First, open your browser and head to the Outlook sign-in page for Microsoft 365. Click Sign In, choose your existing Microsoft account, and complete the login. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the panel that slides out, select Mail to open the full set of mail options. Next, open the Junk Email section. This page controls what Outlook treats as safe and what should be filtered. Scroll down to find safe senders and domains. Here, add the email addresses or entire domains you trust so important messages don't land in junk. For example, if you always want messages from a particular service to arrive, add their address or just their domain. Keep this list for people and services you recognize and expect to hear from. Below that, switch to blocked senders and domains. Add any addresses or domains you never want to see. Outlook will filter those messages automatically. This is perfect for repeat nuisances that don't offer a reliable unsubscribe. If you change your mind later, you can remove entries from either list. For more precise control, open rules. Create a new rule to automatically handle messages that match certain conditions. You could set a rule that if the subject contains a specific phrase or the sender includes a known promo domain, Outlook moves it to deleted items or a folder you've created. Start with simple conditions so you don't accidentally hide mail you need, and review your rules occasionally. Finally, go to subscriptions. This page shows brands and mailing lists Outlook has detected from your inbox. For any sender you no longer want, click unsubscribe. Many reputable senders honor this immediately, though it can take a few days to fully stop. If a sender looks suspicious or the unsubscribe link seems unsafe, don't say the sabat bop sisamin. You don't click it. Block the sender instead and report it as junk from the message menu. A few tips to wrap up. If something lands in junk by mistake, open it and choose not junk to train the filter. Likewise, mark unwanted messages as junk right from the inbox. Revisit your safe and blocked lists now and then, especially if your email habits change. Interfaces update from time to time, so names and locations may vary slightly, but the workflow is the same. Follow these steps and you'll keep your Outlook or Hotmail inbox cleaner, safer, and far less noisy.